Most people don't damage their sailboat out at sea. They do it right here in the marina. And usually it's because of crosswind. If you've ever tried docking in strong wind, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Everything feels fine until the last few seconds. The boat starts drifting, the stern goes the wrong way, and suddenly you are out of control. So, in this video I show you exactly how to dock a sailboat in the strong crosswind, step by step, in a simple practical way. No theory, just what actually works. I'm sailing captain, skipper and instructor, and this is one of the most common problems I see even with experienced sailors. Before we go into the steps, you need to understand one thing. Wind doesn't just push your boat, it changes its direction. Look at the bow here. It starts moving first. That's not random. The wind affects the bow faster than the stern. So the boat doesn't just drift sideways, it starts rotating. And this is the moment we are already losing control, even if it still feels fine. So, rule number 1. Slow is control, fast is panic. Before you even enter the marina, you need a plan. Always ask yourself 3 things. Where is the wind coming from? Which side am I docking on? And what will the wind try to do to my boat? Because it will do something, always. And here's a pro tip. The wind is almost always stronger than you think. Step 1. Approach the shallow angle. Never go straight in when there's crosswind. If you come in straight, you have no space to fix the drift. But at an angle, you still have options. You still have control. Keep your speed low, just enough to steer. If you are going too fast, you are already reacting, not controlling. Step 2. Use short bursts of power, not continuous throttle, small controlled inputs. This is where most people lose it. Too much throttle, too late, and now you are fighting momentum. Instead, think is pause, control, adjust, and control again. And by the way, if this kind of practical sailing content is useful for you, hit subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel and I'll be sharing more real-world techniques like this. Step 3. Control the bow. Because that's what the wind attacks first. Watch the bow, not the whole boat. A small movement here becomes a big problem very quickly. If you react late, it's already too late. So don't react, anticipate. Step 4. Commit early. Indecision is one of the biggest reasons decking fails. Half decisions create chaos. Once you start the maneuver, commit to it. If you hesitate, the wind will take over. Okay, Step 5. Use reverse to stop, not to think. Reverse is your brake. Use it early, smoothly, and deliberately. If you wait too long, you'll need too much power and then you lose precision. Here's a mistake I see all the time. People try to fix everything at the last second. But docking doesn't fail at the dock. It fails 10 or 15 meters before. And here's something important. Even experienced sailors mess this up, not because they don't know how, but because they rush, or they don't have a plan, or they underestimate the wind. Yeah? So let's keep it simple. Slow approach, shallow angle, short bursts of power, control the bow early, commit to the maneuver, and use reverse as your brake, not your rescue. If you control the boat early, docking is easy. If you don't, the wind will do it for you. Okay? So, in the next videos, I show you real docking situations, real mistakes, and how to recover when things go wrong, because that's where real learning actually happens. Thank you so much. See you later.